Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a shape in a PDF file using NitroPro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with NitroPro PDF Editor and select this review option, this menu bar, and here you will find this shapes option. Click on this down arrow. There are many kinds of shape: arrow, rectangle, oval, line, cloud, polygon, and so on. First I will insert this arrow and drag your arrow. Now double click on this. Now click on this hand option, click on this arrow and select. Close this one. And this properties option now active. Click here. This shape border color, I will make this red. And this border thickness. And select here. You can increase, decrease this shape size and position. And this opposite option you can change it. And this shape starting line, this end line, except this one, none, and so on. This one no conflict. And second one, I'll add this rectangle and drop. Select hand option. Now click on this and select this properties option. Similar way, you can add fill color and this border color in this one and border thickness, and let's change this opacity 50 and see this opposite of says. In this way you can insert any shape on this PDF file and edit them. You can move anyhow and so on. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.